Alright guys, today we're going to do this. We're going to be doing our budget POTA. Everything's in the box that we need. So stay tuned, we're going to get started. See you at the park. Alright guys, we're here at Park Victor Echo 5082. There's the trail running right beside us. Absolutely beautiful day today in Saskatchewan. We're not going to have too many of these. It's going to get really cold really soon, but it's looking good today. Today what we're going to do, we're going to do a budget POTA. And the whole idea of it is to be as economical as possible. So what's in the milk crate, you're going to be asking. First off, to get out of there, we're going to run our 891, as always. Very budget, paper logging today. We're not going to use our iPad. We're just going to use the iPad to maybe spot ourselves or something, because I usually would use my phone, but that's the camera today. You've probably seen in another video, I got my $1 CB antenna. Stick it to that. I don't know, let's see here. We've got enough coax, we're going to use the barbecue. Look at that. She's all excited, flapping in the wind just like a dog. All right. So let's set this up. We're going to see if we get on the air. Let's see if we could get 10 contacts. 10 contacts using a $1 CB antenna. Secondly, get this out. The old Subaru battery. That's right. Old and better not tip it over, it might start pouring out some acid or something. We got the old Subaru battery. Tested it yesterday. It has a couple volts left in it. These guys. And I put on my power pole connector. You don't need power poles. I just started using them. I was a cheap guy for quite a while, and I was just using old-fashioned spade connectors. But times are demanding me to get something a little better, a little more reliable, but use whatever you want to hook up your radio. Okay, don't have to tell you, hook up the power properly. If you want to hook up the power the wrong way, just bring some extra fuses for you. Trust me, I might have done that a couple times. Okay, we're fired up now. We got power, 12 volt Subaru battery, 891 CB antenna with a mag mount from a garage sale for $1. Milk crate, I'm not going to tell you how I got that, but I got one. Something to sit on, but I got a bench here. And paper logging. CQ, test, VA5 MED. All right, we're 3.3. I'm going to do let's stick it to the garbage can now. This is a VA5 MED test. All right, we're below 2 to 1. And we're now on the garbage can. All right, see if we get first time luck.
You too. This is Kilo, Juliet 6, Echo Romeo, and Special Event Station, Kilo 5, Echo, Parks on the air.
Victor Alpha 5. Mike, Uniform Delta, park to park.
Park to park.
Woo-hoo.
Victor Echo 5, no. Victor Alpha 5. Victor Alpha 5. He's not James. Victor Alpha 5, Mike Uniform Delta, West, Mr. Mudd, back to back. Guess what? You're only a 5151 West, but we can hear you at Kilo 3473. And once again, you can log Kilo 5 Echo. Oh, woohoo! Making a Mr. Mudd and a video. He's over a famous video star now there, Uncle Oscar. Did you know that? Along with his buddy Simon, I guess. Simon, yeah.
Yeah, Simon.
Well, it's your turn to talk to Mr. Yeah, well, Victor Echo 5, Mike Uniform Delta, Kilo Golf 6, Uncle Al.
QSL, Kilo Golf 6, Uncle Oscar. I got you about a 5-1 into the park using an old car battery and a CB antenna today.
Roger that. Okay, well, it's 5-1 both ways, and you got a car battery and a TV antenna? We got a bio CB antenna.
CB. CB.
CB, TV, what's the difference? We got a bio widow battery and a sort of a CB antenna. No, it's not. It's a homebrew app. Nice to talk to you again, Wes. Thank you. We're activating today, 73.
73s, boys. High five.
High five, Mr. Bear.
You guys have a good one.
This is Kilo.
All right. We got 3 already in the books. Using a CB antenna and car battery. I had to think about it for a second. That is awesome, guys. Don't have to spend a lot to get on the air. I mean, you just spend a few bucks or have some old stuff laying around. I mean, heck, you could even use a tape measure. You don't even have to use a car battery. Or CQ POTA. This is Victor Alpha 5. Mike Uniform Delta, POTA Park, Victor Echo 5082. QRZ.
Victor Echo 3, Golf, Kilo, Tango.
Victor Echo 3, Golf, Kilo, Tango, QSL.
Roger. Roger. West, I'm using the club station. I have about a kilowatt and 4 elements right now. I have you 5 and 9, over.
Copy the 5-9. Well, I'm making a YouTube video right now. I'm using an old CB antenna and a car battery.
All right, on good stuff. It's working for you. You're loud here. I couldn't hear Charlie in Oregon, so I guess the band is running a little short right now, over.
Copy that. Yeah, I just got on. I was getting Greg and Uncle Oscar 5-9, and you're a great signal too, a 5-9 as well, of course, kilowatt.
Roger. Yeah, kilowatt and 4 elements right now. So, 5 and 5 on the meter, but you have a very good signal here. So, I look forward to the video, and if you want to take the club call, it's Victor Echo 3, Mike, India, Sierra, if you want it, over.
All right, I'll log that. Victor Echo 3, Mike, India, Sierra. I got you both logged in the logs here, and yeah, this is going to be a successful activation. It's called budget-friendly POTA.
Roger. I think I saw the thumbnail or the pre-post for that earlier,
Awesome.
so I'm looking forward
Thank you.
to it. Thanks for the contact, and we'll catch you down the log, 73.
You bet. 73s, and thanks for hunting. Hey, this is Victor Alpha 5, Mike Uniform Delta, POTA Park, Victor Echo 5082 in Saskatchewan. QRZ.
Roger. You're about a 5-3, 53 in Pennsylvania, Papa Alpha.
Or you're
QSL, you're
nice.
5x6 into West Texas, over.
Copy the
Very good, you're about a 5-5 here in Pennsylvania, QSL.
copy the
4444, West Virginia with Victor.
All right, copy. So it's official. On a budget, you can use an old car battery, an old CB antenna, or whatever you want to do. The bands are great now, guys. Get out there, go activate. There's no reason why you couldn't get out. I mean, you don't. This is Victor Alpha 5, Mike Uniform Delta, calling CQ POTA, Victor Echo 5082. QRZ.
Hey, that sounds great. Your signal, by the way, is you're 5-8 today, 5-8 here in Arkansas.
Okay.
Let's bring it next time. VF5ABD, AJ5C7.
That's awesome. Got you in the log, man. Happy birthday, too. Happy birthday.
You're about a 4-4,
A little lower.
Central California, over.
Have a good weekend. Let's leave it on. All right. One more successful activation. We're like I said, we're using a very minimal equipment, paper logging, battery sitting, collecting dust in the garage sale find, and beautiful day in Saskatchewan. I appreciate you guys watching, and please leave any comments in the comment field. I want to hear your stories, your ideas, and get out there and work those parks, man. Just because it's winter time doesn't mean you cannot get out there and play POTA. So hey, 73s for now, guys, and we'll see you on the bands.